was at 12:30. At what time did you reach the scene?
I was not exact.
So you don't know the time you reached the scene?
About 12:30. Can be more or less that time. Because at that time I didn't have the watch. But at about midday, that's about 1/2 midday.
Yes, we are talking about now 2 incidents. We're talking about the mobilization and also the arrival at the scene. We want to be exact. What time did you leave the station? I mean, what time did you get the actual information that there was an emergency happening?
It was around noon.
Around noon. And arrival at the scene?
It took us about 20 minutes to reach at the scene.
So it was around 20 past midnight.
To take that, about.
Now, you said when you reached the scene, you found Dr. Chiza BESIGYE here talking to the crowd using the megaphone.
Yes.
Now, how was he doing it? Where was he seated, standing?
He was standing while carrying a megaphone.
Where was he standing?
He was standing inside his car, but half his body was seen on the roof.
Which
Okay.
street did you say?
I said, Namirembe
Namirembe
Road.
Namirembe.
Near Quarry
Namirembe Road near
Quarry.
Kwasi. And you put that, you remember calling the statement.
Yes, I did.
Did you make a mention of Namirembe in the statement, Namirembe Road? Are you going to make a statement to that effect?
It was not cited specifically.
So you know?
Not Namirembe.
Okay.
But I remember where it is.
Which road did you put there in the statement?
I put Natural Central Division.
No, I'm talking about the street.
The
Now
street.
you are saying the incident took place at Namirembe. That's the testimony now, Namirembe Road.
Yes.
But in the statement, which street did you put there?
Which street I put there?
Yes.
Still I put Namirembe in Central Division.
Namirembe in Central.
Yes.
But you talked about Nachifu. Did you mention Nachifu?
It is, let me put in record. It is
You-
Namirembe
Yes.
in Central Division.
Are you sure that's what you put in the statement?
That's what I can recall.
Are you certain? I'm asking for the last time on that issue. Are you certain you put Namirembe?
Not so certain, but that's what I can recall.
Do you remember talking about Nachifu in the statement?
Negative.
How about to Chikubo Lane or Street?
Chukuba, I do remember.
You remember? So you have this statement, at least to freshen your mind. Can I help you? Refresh your memory. So you wish to retract the testimony you have given that the incident took place at Namirembe Street. Would you wish to retract that statement without a vote?
No, the incident took place on Namirembe Street.
Is it there in the statement?
It is not in the statement.
Why did you put it in the statement? Why didn't you put it in the statement? I've given you a statement. Is that your statement?
Yes, it is.
Okay, if that is your statement, can you tell court that what exactly you wrote there?
What I put here is that we moved up to Chikubo Street.
Chikubo Street.
Yes.
Is Chikubo Street the same as Namirembe Street?
Namirembe Street is located in Chikubo.
Oh, it's located in Chikubo. So, which one are we talking about?
The incident happened on
Read what you
Namirembe
wrote there.
Street. But Chikubo and Namirembe is taken as one.
Oh. So, is it Chikubo Street or Namirembe Street?
It is Chikubo.
It's Chikubo.
It's what is in the incident.
So it's not in Namirembe Street. That's why I would like you to retract the statement you made that it was at Namirembe. To err is human. You say,
As I said, Namirembe and Chikubo.
answer my question. Isn't it a
Street
lie?
of
Isn't it a lie? What you have just told the court, isn't it a lie that it happened at Namirembe Road? You know him?
Yes, I do.
What is his name?
It's called Lukwago.
Rubega?
Sam.
Sam. When did you come to know him?
Came to know him on 14th June 2022.
Before then, you had not known him. So how did you come to know him as Sam?
The time when I was recording my statement.
So at the scene, you didn't know him.
I knew him as a person whom I got together with Dr. Kizabes.
You got to know his particulars at the time of recording the statement.
At the time of recording the statement, upon him reaching the station, when he was charged. So I got the name from him.
So you recorded the statement before he was charged or after?
After I was charged.
After he had been charged. Okay. Did you put his name in the statement? You recorded?
My memory tells me that I did.
You did?
Yes.
Okay. After let's record the statement once again. Read it through and confirm whether you made any mention about something. His statement. His.
Yes.
The name is there?
The name is not there.
It's not. What explains that? Can you also confirm that you have told the court lies that you mentioned him in your statement? Can you confirm that you have told the court lies?
It's not lies. And
What
an
is it?
error. An omission.
An omission. Now, may court know why you didn't put his name in the statement?
Like I said, it was an omission. But it was together with Dr.
No. Look at the statement again. When you reached at the scene, what you recorded on that very day, when I think your memory was still very fresh. Whom did you find at the scene? What you recorded there? Just read verbatim what you recorded there. Just that line.
We all moved up to Chikubo Street, where we got the time coming of the case of BESIGYE, mobilizing public to demonstrate in the city, then I think that's.
So you phoned Dr. Besigye only, not, you didn't mention any other person who was mobilizing. Yes?
Like I said, it was an omission.
It's an omission.
Which everyone can do.
How would you wish to correct that omission now? Would you wish to correct it?
Let it be in record that Dr. Kiza Besigye, together with Lukwago, were arrested on that day.
Would you want to amend the statement you made? So that it is reflected? Yes? You was from the opportunity. I beg you to amend the statement, which has been confirmed by the witness.
Yes, I can offer the
witness. Also that you give us our copy because I need it for submission.
Yeah, you confirm.
Right, that's the segment of the examination you watch. That's we are waiting now.
The statement has been admitted as a police exhibit and not as the ex-man.
So that your permission, your worship, I hope you have necessary.
And now, about the events at the scene, we found Dr. Kiza Besigye speaking. By the time you arrived, what exactly was he saying?
He said so many words.
So many words. Okay, now, one by one, we mentioned here, stop stupid birthday celebrations. Whose birthdays was he talking about?
I don't know, but the accused is right there. But that was the word that came from his mouth. The person he meant,
Oh,
it was him.
so did he mention any name?
At that time, we were just from a celebration of the first son's birthday. So that is
Who
when
is that first son?
Lukwago.
So did he mention General Lukwago's name?
He did mention, but those were the words he said.
So it was your own interpretation, your own understanding of the statement that he meant General Lukwago. It was your own inference.
Exactly.
So you know the charge being preferred against him or against the board? You know the charge?
I learned that they were charged with incitement to violence.
So you had the feeling what? This is the time for transition. Did you mention the transition? Any form of transition you were talking about?
Yes, he did.
Which kind of transition? Did he say so?
That was the transition he meant.
Did he say so?
He said transition.
He said transition and he ended there. The people should rise up and act. That's where it ended. Because these are the three statements you have mentioned. The people should rise up and act. That's where it ended.
And act now.
Act
Rise
now.
up and act now.
And do what?
He was mobilizing them to demonstrate. So they were telling him, rise up and act now.
Act how? To do what? This
To
one
demonstrate. To demonstrate.
To demonstrate how? Did he say any form of demonstration?
He wanted them to move with him on the street.
Or to go where? Where? To go where?
The accused knows where they were going.
according to you, the police officer who was stopping an emergency. What you call it to stop an emergency? To handle an emergency? Yes, what was that emergency? Where was he going with the people?
He was going with the people to places, to unlawful places where people are doing their businesses. He was going to interact with other people's businesses in town.
So that's what you understood. Did he say so that he was going to interrupt people's business?
He didn't say, but they were acting in motion to what he was saying.
So move now, the charge is incitement to violence. Did you understand that that was the charge which was going to be preferred against him at the time of recording the statement?
I didn't know. That is the who preferred the case.
Did you put those statements in those very phrases? Stand up and act now. Stop this birth the celebrations. And also, this is a time for transition. Did you put them in your statement? The police statement you put it?
I did put.
You?
I did.
You did?
I said I did.
You didn't. Why? Why?
It was an omission.
Were they necessary or not? Was it necessary to put them in the statement or not?
They have been necessary. But
It was also an omission.
it was an omission.
How many omissions are those now? How many? Anyway,
Number of omissions.
do you find it a gross mistake for not putting those statements in your statement? Yeah, it's fatal. You find it fatal. In the charge of incitement to violence, you find it fatal. One, two more questions. When you recorded the statement at that time, did you have a look at the megaphone you're talking about?
Yes, I did.
Where is it?
It is at the police.
What did Sam say? Sam Oliver say? Did he hold that megaphone?
No, it didn't.
He didn't. Did he utter any statement?
They were talking one at a time. He uttered
What did he say?
the same statements.
Oh, the same way you have presented them here.
Yes.
And you do not find it necessary to put the same statements he said, he allegedly said in the statement.
I said it was an omission.
Examination. So now, incitement to violence. No, incitement to do what? Incitement to do what?
For violence.
To violence. Okay, fine. I've mentioned it. How? How? How were they inciting people to incite violence?
They were mobilizing the crowd with those kind of statements.
You expressed earlier on, you expressed the mood
Yes.
at the scene. People, you said they were excited. Were they happy? Were they happy with the statements?
There is hooligan excitement that someone can just wake up from nowhere and start becoming.
I'm using the word happy. I don't want to use excitement. These are two different words. Were they happy?
Happy to hear a mobilizer.
Yes,
Yes, they were happy.
they were happy. Were they armed?
They were not.
Were you beaten?
I was not beaten.
Was anybody injured or beaten in any way at the scene?
I didn't confirm that.
Was there any act of violence?
I would say so.
Which one?
When you mobilize the crowd to go to,
Was there an act of violence? You witnessed yourself. Not imagine. Was there an act of violence? You saw, you witnessed yourself.
Yes.
Which one?
When people are, there were these people who are not employed, these people who are just picked from nowhere, came and started squeezing colleagues, taking over the property and what. So that was an act of violence.
So there were people who were unemployed. You saw them who were not employed.
They were not in their business areas, I would say.
So whoever was there, you consider them to be unemployed.
Perhaps so.
Perhaps. So you said they grabbed the property. Which property was grabbed?
The property of the people around them.
Which property?
Looting. Those who were vending around.
Oh, so there was looting.
There was grabbing of property. I don't know. Maybe for lack of better words.
Very interesting.
Yes.
Who grabbed the whose property?
The crowd that came, that they mobilized it from outside.
They came and grabbed the property.
In that confusion.
Which property was grabbed?
Whose property?
Which property? Which? Before you come to whose?
Merchandise.
Which? What do you mean merchandise?
The vendors.
Be specific. Which items?
Fruits that are sold on the streets.
Which fruits?
Fruits are many.
Yes, mention the fruits.
Mangoes, yellow bananas, and so forth.
And they feasted on them.
They did so. They took.
So at the rally, they were eating mangoes, bananas, what and what? People's property. I mean mangoes.
They took people's property.
So you recorded a statement of theft?
Not so.
Was anybody arrested for doing that?
They arrested the ringleaders,
Who?
the mobilizers, those who mobilized them to come.
So are they charged with the offense of theft?
No. They were charged with incitement to violence.
So the violence was the stealing, the taking out, looting actually, let me know the reason. The looting of mangoes, bananas, and tomatoes. Those are the three you mentioned. Bananas, mangoes, and
Many others.
many others like what?
Fruits. I said fruits. Taken.
Let's go over.
I
That's
mentioned
very
a few.
important.
I mentioned a few.